Hello, my friend. Are you feeling like you're standing at the edge of something big but can't quite put your finger on it? Maybe life has been throwing challenges your way, yet somewhere deep inside, you sense a shift, a breakthrough waiting just around the corner. One of the clearest signs is when life seems to get more chaotic than usual. You might notice a sudden influx of challenges or difficulties that feel almost overwhelming. It's as if the old version of your life is shaking loose, making way for something new. This chaos isn't here to destroy you, it's here to clear the space for transformation. When you're in the midst of it, it can feel frustrating, but understand that this turbulence is a sign of growth. Much like the soil being tilled before planting seeds, life may be disrupting your comfort to prepare you for something better. Another sign is the feeling of being stuck. You might feel like you're spinning your wheels, putting in effort but not seeing results. This can be disheartening, but consider this: a caterpillar must pause in its cocoon before it can emerge as a butterfly. Being stuck is often the universe's way of urging you to pause, reflect, and prepare. It's in these moments of stillness that breakthroughs are born. Trust the process, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Next is an increase in synchronicities. Have you been noticing meaningful coincidences? Perhaps you keep seeing the same numbers, hearing the same song lyrics, or encountering people who bring messages you needed to hear. These synchronicities are not random, they're the universe's way of whispering that you're aligned with your breakthrough. Pay attention to these signs, they're guiding you closer to your path. Emotional intensity is another telltale sign. You might find yourself feeling emotions more deeply than usual, whether it's joy, sadness, frustration, or excitement. This heightened sensitivity isn't a bad thing, it's an indication that your inner world is recalibrating. Breakthroughs often come after emotional breakthroughs. Allow yourself to feel fully, as each emotion is helping you release the old and make space for the new. Let's not forget the moments of clarity that seem to come out of nowhere. Have you ever had an idea or realization that suddenly clicked, as if a light bulb went off in your mind? These moments are signs that the breakthrough is close. It's like the fog clearing after a long storm. These flashes of understanding often come when we least expect them, so stay open and receptive to new insights. You may also notice a shift in your desires or goals. What once felt important might no longer resonate with you, and you may feel drawn toward new aspirations. This is a natural part of the process. Another sign that your breakthrough is approaching is the undeniable urge to simplify your life. You may feel an instinctive pull to declutter your physical space, let go of unproductive habits, or distance yourself from toxic relationships. This isn't just about tidying up, it's an energetic reset. The less weight you carry, the more space you create for new opportunities to flow into your life. Simplification often precedes clarity, and clarity leads to transformation. Trust that this urge to pare down is preparing you for the next chapter. You might also notice a sudden craving for knowledge or self-improvement. Whether it's picking up books, enrolling in courses, or seeking mentors, this hunger for growth is a sign of alignment. You are gearing up for the challenges and opportunities that await. It's as though your mind and soul are saying, "Prepare, we are about to step into something greater." This growth spurt in your curiosity often signals that life is preparing to give you more. Follow that curiosity, as it's leading you toward your breakthrough. Unexpected opportunities are another telltale sign. Out of nowhere, doors begin to open that weren't there before. These may be new job offers, collaborations, or even chance encounters with people who play pivotal roles in your life. When these moments happen, seize them. They're not coincidences, they're confirmations. These opportunities may require courage to step out of your comfort zone, but doing so will move you closer to the success waiting for you. A change in your self-talk often signals a shift as well. You might notice that negative inner dialogues give way to empowering thoughts. It's not that challenges disappear, but you start speaking to yourself with more compassion and confidence. This new narrative reflects an internal shift, a sign that you are ready to shed the limitations of your old self. When your inner voice becomes your cheerleader instead of your critic, a breakthrough is imminent. Physical sensations can also be a precursor to breakthroughs. Some people experience increased energy, as if they're on the brink of something electrifying. Others may feel an urge to move, whether through exercise, dance, or travel. Your body often responds to the energy of transformation before your mind catches up. Pay attention to these physical cues. They're another way life is signaling that something monumental is on its way. You may also encounter resistance or fear in unexpected ways. Just as you're about to achieve a breakthrough, your doubts might grow louder, or external obstacles might appear. This resistance isn't there to stop you, it's a signal that you're pushing past your limits. The closer you get to breaking through, the harder your old patterns will try to hold on. See this resistance as proof that you're on the right track and keep moving forward with determination. As your breakthrough approaches, your inner self aligns with what truly matters, shedding what no longer serves you. Follow these new inspirations, they are leading you toward your purpose. So, you'll feel a deep sense of readiness, even if you can't explain why. This is the calm before the storm of transformation, a quiet knowing that you're about to step into a new chapter. Trust this inner confidence, it's your intuition confirming that the breakthrough is near. When you recognize these signs, don't resist them. Instead, lean into them. Each challenge, emotion, and insight is part of your journey. Your breakthrough is not something to fear, it's something to welcome. Life is always moving you toward your highest good, even when it doesn't seem that way. Take a moment now to reflect. Are any of these signs showing up in your life? If so, you're on the verge of something extraordinary. Stay patient, stay open, and trust the process. The breakthrough you've been waiting for is closer than you think. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the powerful signs we've explored. Each one, whether it's a shift in your desires, an increase in synchronicities, or a craving for simplicity, is a nudge from life itself, guiding you towards something extraordinary. A breakthrough isn't just an event, it's a shift in your reality, a step toward the life you're meant to live. If you found this discussion meaningful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below. It's always incredible to connect and learn from each other's journeys. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video. Your support means so much, and it helps bring this message to more people who might need to hear it. If this resonated with you, why not share it with a friend? A breakthrough can ripple through lives, and your simple act of sharing might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. And before you go, note to give this video a thumbs up if it brings value to your life. It's an easy way to support this space and keep the energy flowing. Your breakthrough is closer than you think, and each step you take toward it matters. Until next time, stay open to the signs and keep moving forward. Thank you for being here. Lastly, pay attention to these physical cues. They're another way life is signaling that something monumental is on its way.